1. Apple's folding iPhone 2026, Samsung display and price revealed. 2. Crease-Free foldable iPhone vs Galaxy Z Fold 8, what you need to know. 1. Apple's folding iPhone 2026, Samsung display and price revealed. Apple's foldable iPhone is finally on the horizon, but will it be affordable? Recent reports suggest Apple is set to unveil a foldable iPhone in 2026, though it's unlikely to be a budget-friendly gadget. This isn't just a rumor, it's a growing consensus among analysts and industry insiders. The latest buzz points to a partnership between Apple and Samsung Display, which could mean the foldable screen tech for this device might rely on Samsung's cutting-edge expertise. But here's where it gets controversial: will this luxury come with a price tag that makes it out of reach for most consumers? Analysts predict the phone could cost between $2,000 and $2,500, a steep price for a device that's still in early development stages. Why so expensive? The technology involved in creating a crease-free, durable foldable screen is highly complex, and it's likely to require premium materials and advanced engineering. Apple has been working on foldable screen designs for years, filing patents for everything from screens that fold and scroll to ones that can self-heal from scratches. Last year, Bloomberg reported that Apple was exploring a giant foldable iPad, suggesting the company is testing multiple foldable concepts. Analysts have long predicted a foldable iPhone since 2021, but now the pieces seem to be falling into place. This week's episode of One More Thing breaks down the latest rumors, including the possibility that the ultra-thin iPhone 17 could play a role in making the foldable iPhone a reality. Its slim battery design is just one piece of the puzzle, but it highlights how Apple is blending innovation with practicality. And this is the part most people miss: while the foldable iPhone is a big deal, it's not just about the screen. The entire ecosystem, software, accessories, and user experience, will need to adapt to this new form factor. Will Apple succeed in creating a device that's both groundbreaking and accessible? That's the question we'll explore in depth. What do you think? Can Apple balance innovation with affordability, or will the foldable iPhone remain a niche product? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 2. Crease-Free foldable iPhone vs Galaxy Z Fold 8, what you need to know. The upcoming foldable iPhone from Apple is set to face some intriguing competition, particularly from Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8, which is anticipated to feature a crease-free display. This exciting development has been highlighted by Ming-Chi, a well-known analyst in the Apple supply chain, who recently shared insights on social media. According to Kwa, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will incorporate a laser-drilled metal display plate, a technology that will also be utilized in Apple's foldable iPhone. This component is being supplied by Fine M-Tec, a South Korean company known for its innovative materials. Currently, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 still exhibits a noticeable crease in the center of its inner screen, which has been a point of contention among users. However, Kwa suggests that Apple's stringent requirements for a crease-free experience have set a new standard in the foldable device market. As a result, it appears that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will also boast a screen that is free from creases, aligning with Apple's ambitious goals. Kwa elaborated that the laser-drilled metal plate is designed to effectively distribute the stress that occurs when the device is bent, which is crucial for achieving a smooth, crease-free surface. While Samsung will supply the inner screen for the foldable iPhone, it is the innovative plate from Fine M-Tec that will facilitate this impressive feature. Looking ahead, Kwa has indicated that Apple plans to commence mass production of its foldable iPhone in the latter half of 2026, suggesting that the device could finally make its debut next year. Expectations are high for this new gadget, which is projected to include a 7.8-inch inner display, a 5.5-inch outer display, dual rear cameras, a front-facing camera, and a Touch ID power button, replacing the traditional Face ID. In the tech world, this development raises several questions. Will the introduction of crease-free screens revolutionize the foldable market? And how will consumers respond to the pricing of these high-end devices? As we await further details, it's clear that the competition between Apple and Samsung is heating up, and the implications for consumers could be significant. What are your thoughts on the future of foldable technology? Do you think the crease-free feature will become a standard expectation? Share your opinions in the comments.